If you're running into the S9052 TAD W79J communication error in Monster Hunter Wilds, don't worry. This issue is pretty common on both PC and PS5, and there are several fixes that usually get you back online quickly. Let's walk through the most reliable ones step by step. If you're on PC, start by checking your Windows firewall. Make sure the game is allowed through so it isn't being blocked by accident. Open your control panel, head into Windows Defender Firewall, and select the option to allow an app through the firewall. If Monster Hunter Wilds isn't listed, add the executable and make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This alone resolves the error for a lot of players. Another thing to try is disabling IPv6. Some online games don't communicate well with it. Go to your network and sharing center, open the adapter settings, right-click the connection you're using, choose properties, and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. After that, you can also switch your DNS to Google servers for more stable connectivity. In your IPv4 settings, set your preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your alternate to 8.4.4. If you're on PS5, the fix is often much simpler. Start by restarting both your console and your router. Power them off completely, wait a minute or two, and then turn them back on. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, switching to a wired Ethernet cable can instantly stabilize your connection and prevent this error from returning. Before you spend too much time troubleshooting, make sure Capcom isn't doing maintenance. If their servers are down or getting updated, no local fix will work until they come back online. Checking their status page or official updates can save you a lot of frustration.